So, my newest addition to our parking space is a S-Class. It's a W140. And I had bad car panels and I exchanged them. But with those, I saw that I had the wrong covers for a screw which is going in the arm handle. Thankfully, of course, Octo is providing with new ones. This will be more as a product presentation than an installation because it's practically just a click, but of course I'll show you. Quality, nice. I'll see how these will be after you install them. The initial problem of those when you take them out is this: it breaks. So I mean, I think that they have a 1 to 3 time warranty. How can I say? Because afterwards, when you push it in or remove it, it just breaks. So this one is black. I got gray because it's a gray car and the black ones were not correct. So I'm really happy for this because I'm missing 2. And let's go to the installation. Okay, we are at the installation. So actually what I did, this is a spare arm handle because it's practically the same in the car. So what you do is just, I think there's one thing you need to be careful of, and that is this groove here. So this groove here enables you to safely remove it. So let's go inside. So you see, this is the groove I've been talking about. And you have to align that with this. This is the wrong color. You see the difference? I've got the correct one in my car, but it's easier for show. So basically you just clip it in. I will not clip it in now because I don't know how it will react to me pulling it out, but in general it's a click, and that's that. Just be careful not to mix up, not to go like this, because first of all it doesn't fit. Secondly, you won't have the possibility to go with a screwdriver in here to pop it up later on. So slot in, that's that. What I mentioned with the old one is it's broke, so it doesn't even fit anymore. I can do nothing with it. That's that. Clean and simple, the easiest one today. Have a great day.